Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain the rules for the dice game Pig, which are on the first project. So Pig is a race game. So here we have two players, blue and orange, and they're racing to be the first one to go down this track to get all the way to 100 points. So these are their tokens that represent where they are. Now, in a normal game like Candyland or something, you just roll the dice and you move forward that many points. Really simple stuff. But in Pig, you don't just move forward. There's an element of risk taking. So instead of just rolling and moving, what happens is when you roll the dice, you don't advance your actual token. What you do is you advance this runner. So on your turn, you get this runner, and the runner is the thing that moves forward. And on your turn, you can decide to push your luck and be greedy and have the runner keep going further and further. But every time you roll, there is a chance that your runner dies and you suddenly go back to where you were and make no progress. So on your turn, you have to balance this idea of making progress by advancing the runner more and more, and playing it safe of banking what you have so far and moving your player up to your runner. So to see how that works, I'm going to imagine it's orange player's turn. And the rule is when you roll the dice, it's just a regular six-sided dice. The only choice you have to make is whether or not to roll again or not. If you roll a 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, then your runner moves forward that much. But if you roll a 1, that's called a pig, and your runner dies, you don't get any progress at all. You've made no progress that turn if you ever roll a 1, and it's the other player's turn. So let's see what that looks like. So to start with, orange starts at position 0. The runner starts at position 0. We roll the dice. I rolled a 1, first roll, and that means I make no progress that turn. It's blue's turn. So on blue's turn, the runner starts where blue's token is at position 0. Blue rolls the dice. Blue rolls a 6. So the runner advances to position 6. Now blue has a choice. They can roll again, which will hopefully advance the runner, and they can get even more points in the future, or they can stop. If they choose to stop, then they will bank everything they've made so far. Blue is feeling very cautious, so blue will decide to stop and advance, and just bank what they have. So blue decides to stop. That means they move their token up to where the runner is, to position 6, and they hand the dice to orange. It's orange's turn again. Now orange starts at position 0, hasn't made any progress yet. Orange rolls the dice. Orange got a 3. Orange is feeling greedy, so the runner advanced to position 3. Orange is feeling greedy, so he's going to choose to roll the dice again. Orange got a 1, and that means that orange gets no progress. They don't get to move their orange person at all. Now it's blue's turn again. The runner starts here where blue is. Blue rolls the dice for the first time. They get a 6, so blue advances to position 12. Blue is feeling a little bit greedy, so they're going to roll the dice one more time. They got another 6, so blue moves up. The runner moves up to 18, and now blue is feeling very safe. So blue says, I'm going to stop rolling. So no more rolling the dice for blue. Blue advances to where the runner is. Now it's orange's turn. On orange's turn, they roll the dice. They got a 2, so they can choose to roll the dice again or stop. They're going to choose to roll again. They got a 5 this time, so they move up to 7. They're going to roll one more time. They got a 6, 13. They're feeling lucky. They think they can overtake blue. They're going to roll the dice one more time. They got a 2. Okay, they really want to overtake blue here, so they're going to roll one more time. 6. So blue got a 6 to move them up, move the runner up to 21. Or sorry, orange got that. Orange is feeling safe, so what they're going to do is they are going to bank this. They move their token up to 21. Now it's blue's turn. And the game continues like this. The only choice you have on each thing is to roll again or not. If you roll again, you hopefully advance your runner. But if you choose to stop rolling, you bank all the progress you've made. And every time you roll, there is a risk that you're going to go broke if a 1 comes up. So that's the risk-taking element of the game Pig. I will say there's a flowchart I posted as well, so check out the flowchart to see how the rules go.